What if I tell you that this background is not real? I'm going to show you in this video how you can achieve this, where you put a different background to your video. Now, there are so many people, they know what to say when it comes to content, but they're not even creating the content because they feel their environment is not what they would have loved it to be. Let me tell you, all of that, your environment, your background, it does really not matter. What matters is the value you're giving to the people. What are you saying? What are you telling people? What value are you bringing to the table when it comes to YouTube? That is what matters. Now, if that is what you think, I am here to show you how you can choose the background that you love, that you would like to be in your video, and use that to create your content. Now, you're going to use a platform that is called Pixels or Pixabay. That is where you can get stock images that are free. When you go to Pixels or Pixabay and you get any background, any video, picture, it is free. I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step using CapCut. Okay guys, so the very first thing you need to do is open your CapCut and bring in the picture that you're going to use as your background. Now the picture is there. Go ahead and select a video that you want to work on, the video that you want to use for this project. So you click on it and you bring it into the timeline, right? So when you bring it into the timeline, you have to position it to make sure that the background picture and the video align, like they are the same length. So when you make sure they align, they are of the same length, just drag it, and if there's any excess, just highlight it, trim it off. When you split it, you click on delete and you delete that bit that you don't want. When you've deleted that bit, just go ahead and because you've added it as your overlay, okay? So the main video you want to work on is the overlay now under the picture that you want to use as background. So select the main video and go ahead and look for remove background, because we're going to remove the background of your video. And when you remove the background, as you can see, the background of the video is removed. So you remove the background and you go ahead and you move it around, position the video where you want it. Like you can see the way I am moving it, positioning it to the particular position that I want, okay? So when you've done that, just go ahead and just check around and move it and expand it to fit exactly the way you want it. All right, so you just do that. And when you are satisfied that you are okay with the way it is, you just go ahead and you look for adjust, because you're going to adjust the brightness of the background picture. You want it to be a little bit blurred. So you just gonna make it a little bit blurred so that it will not be so bright. It depends on the kind of background you're using. So people are using so bright background, but if your background is not that so bright, you just skip this bit. Now click on effect. Now, we're going to search for blur. So type it in there, BLUR, blur. So when you type blur in, you're gonna select the very first one, so that that one is adjustable, so that you can adjust it. Okay, the video is playing. Yeah, I just stopped it. So the video is playing, guys. So I'm just gonna pause a minute. Okay, so you just click on the blur and blur the background picture a little bit to give it that natural feel. Like I said, just click on the very first one, BLUR, click on that one. Okay. You see, because I'm editing this in real time, so the volume of the video just comes on, okay? So if it's blurred more than what you want, you just cancel what you had done by going back. So this is all I have for you for today. Thank you so much for sticking around. I guess nobody has any excuse now to say their background is not nice, their environment is not beautiful for them to shoot content. Now you know how to use the kind of background that you would love to be in your video. Now you know how to use this kind of background to create your video. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not also forget to click on the bell notifications, because I drop gems like this where I show you different ways that you can do things on YouTube. Remember, the name of this channel is YouTube Tutorials. So what I do here is all about tutorials. I have other YouTube channels as well. If you want to make money online, you can check out my online cash craft channel. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to watch the next video. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope to see you next time.